you'll have fault code reading and clearing, which is basic. That's where your system starts. Other than that, you will also have a freeze frame, which will show you the status of the fault code. And after that, you will have calculating component of the fault code, which is going to be the exact part that could be causing the fault code, which you can see more information about it. Pinouts, as you can see, 80 blue def. Check the diagram as well. There it is, CM2. C1 is the main engine management control unit. Pinouts. Basics, you'll have system data of the ECU, monitoring of the live data selection, which would be the sensors, and as you can see, more than 92 sensors are on this BOBCAT's engine. You can follow them in this type of the overlay. You have system checks like cutout, cylinder cutouts, which you can do for engine into 3, 4, and 6 cylinders. We'll have initial conditions that you must meet before you proceed to the next step, and then selecting cylinder, you will be able to turn them on and off, and also monitor them. And once it's finished, you will have a full overview of what happened in the test. And you will have maintenance for certain values. Filter regen, we'll start with that one. The regeneration, it's going to give you an explanation of what's about to happen and initial conditions you must meet before you proceed. The next step is going to be the test itself. There it is. It's going to take a couple of minutes for me to finish it, but the process is finished and you will have a full overview of what happened during the initial test. So as you can see, you can expect pretty deep coverage for the BOBCATs.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-624-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.